A Lenovo laptop keyboard may stop working due to various reasons, including hardware issues or physical damage. To troubleshoot, try using an external keyboard, if it works. The problem may lie with the laptop's internal keyboard. Another common cause is dirt, dust, or debris stuck under the keys, which can be resolved by turning off and unplugging the laptop, then cleaning the keyboard with a toothbrush. Compressed air, or isopropyl alcohol. Outdated or corrupted drivers can also be the culprit. To address this, reinstall the driver by downloading the latest version from the manufacturer's website using an external keyboard or the on-screen keyboard. Additionally, update the keyboard driver by accessing the device manager, expanding the keyboard section, right-clicking on the keyboard device, and selecting Update Driver to search for updates automatically. Furthermore, ensure that sticky or filter keys are not interfering with normal keyboard operations by checking the settings and turning them off if necessary. An unstable operating system or corrupt system files may also cause the issue, in which case resetting the PC may be necessary. However, be sure to back up data before doing so. If the problem persists, restarting the laptop may resolve software glitches or system issues. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be best to consult a professional technician for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and potentially fix your Lenovo keyboard problem.